Did you ever want to create reels with things that are no longer existing, like for example reels with medieval warriors? So that's what I have done, and I would like to show you the final result to start with, and then how you can actually get there by yourself. So this is the result of my work. Let's check the video. So that was the little video that I have created. It lasts about 20 seconds, and I want to show you step by step what I have done, and so that you can actually use this idea and do something similar or something totally different, but it's not that complicated. What I have to say before starting is that I use Canva to create some stuff, and I have a premium account that allows me to generate images on Canva. So I don't know whether with the free account, I think you can do some free images, but the quantity is limited. Then I use a tool that is called OpenArt, which I also have a premium account, but I will show you a way how you can do these videos actually for free. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is to define what kind of story that you want to show on your reels. So my idea was to create simply some medieval knights from different countries walking down the street of their town or their city. So to get started, what I needed is to create an image for each of these knights. So for that, I used Canva, and let's just go there. So in Canva, you have the option to create images with AI, and I have used the following prompt: medieval knight of Spain in full armor, holding a sword and a shield, walking down the road of medieval Spain in daylight. A body of people are watching him, full body view. This is to tell the camera that I want to see his full body, and slightly blurred background. So the results are here. I got always 4 images to choose from, and sometimes the results were not that good, so I had to do several tries. And then for each country, I actually just changed the name of the country and the name of the town or the country where he is from to actually give a different impression. And so the images that I got were from Spain, from Austria, from this was, I think, Italy, and also I started with France. These are the 4 countries that I actually used to create images. I picked from each of this series of images, the ones that I liked most, and I downloaded them to my computer. I didn't upscale it because I'm not trying to create high quality images, just I want to try something that looks a bit funny and interesting for people to watch. So the next step was to go to OpenArt AI, and here you have the option. Actually, let me just go maybe to the home. OpenArt is a wonderful place where you can actually do almost anything with your AI images, and you can make them alive, you can animate them. And I won't go into the detail how this program works. Just I wanted to show you what I did, and then I will show you how you can actually do it in a different way, in a bit cheaper way. So first of all, I want to create a video, and that's where I went. And then I can actually choose text to image, or text to video, image to video, elements to video, or audio to video. And I had my my image. So what I did is I actually pulled the image of each of these warriors one after the other in here. The start frame is the image that I provided, and then I just gave the prompt: knight walks down the road. I also gave a little auto sound info, sound clicking, armor, public cheering. I did that for all of the different nights, and I created these 4 videos. They are the videos that you have seen before, and you can see when generating it cost me some credits, and I made only 5 seconds with turbo mode. That means the resolution is very low, but in a way the result is not that bad, and for a reel it can be enough. So I created these 4 videos, and then I actually used Canva again. I uploaded let me just go there, the videos to Canva, and I did my editing in Canva. So let's go here. So that's the thing that I did. So I created 4 different slides, and for each one I uploaded the video. I adapted it so that the size was correct, and then what I also did was to try to find a font that was kind of medieval, that gave a good impression. And then I copied this font for all different warriors. And finally, I added some music, and there Canva allows you to actually search for the different soundtracks, and it was actually quite easy to find something adapted. So what did I did, where are the, sorry, I just want to see, there is music somewhere, yeah, audio, and what I did, I searched for medieval, and then what is important is that you have to check whether commercial use is allowed or not. So I used this medieval hitman, and then I tried to make sure that the sound fitted more or less with the images and the movements on the slides. And then I just needed to actually download the MP4, and here I have my reel. So it didn't take me that much time, because for the process of the image I used always the same prompt, for the process of the video also. And now I just want to show you something where you can actually do the same for almost for free. So you still need to generate the images, but the OpenArt that I'm actually using, let's go there quickly, you can actually select the model of generation, and I use Pixverse because it's fast, and also because it gives you daily credits to actually generate videos. So if you go directly to Pixverse, you can actually create videos the same way. It's the same model engine behind what I used, and here you can simply go, okay, let me take the Middle Knight of France, and here I have image. I can now say walking down the street, or maybe I have to put the same prompt, and theoretically I should get, also I can put auto sound and cheers of crowd. Okay, and you see here I have 60 credits, and this will cost me 30 credits actually to generate this video. So let me do that, and these credits are renewed every day. So this means that you can actually do 2 videos per day, and this is not too bad, I believe. Let's just see whether the result is similar than what we had before. And you can see the video is really quite similar than what I got in my first try. Only negative aspect, if you go to Pixverse, you will have a watermark on your video, well, because it's actually a free version and they want you to actually purchase it. So this is a great way to get started. Try out a little bit things with Pixverse for free, and then if you enjoy it, you can go to openart.ai, because the great thing is that whatever you can do on Pixverse, you can do on OpenArt as well, and you can do things from all the things that you could do on Kling and all the other platforms OpenArt all puts it in one basket, and that really makes it amazing. I will probably make another video about OpenArt soon. So just heads up, I think the results that we got is not too bad. I would be glad to listen to your feedback. Also keep in mind that I rendered things on purpose in a very low resolution because I don't want to waste too many credits while creating these things, but you could do it much better. And if you want to, of course, you can really make it professional and look even more beautiful. So that was it. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.